Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to farm properly. So, first thing first, usually you want to do at least one scout to each of these and maybe 20 here, just in case you want to gather more resources, but usually the C letter does the job. And so this village, I don't really have troops, but okay, let's go ahead and you know what, okay, well, here I have 11 troops, right? I'm gonna just for the sake of video, it doesn't matter how much troops you have here, I'm just gonna show you a proper way how to farm. So you need that farm script. You press that button. What it does, it allows you to quickly do things. So hotkeys ZX for AB, and for C I'm gonna press, well, C obviously, so ZXC, and then they are next to each other. For skipping village is just previous next village, and if you want to skip the village, you can just with the space button. Okay, so apply, and let's get started. So at this point I can actually farm something. So B, yeah, let's go for B because A will be one scout. So nothing more, I just press the button and it switches to next village. And over here I can go for some B's as well, next village. And over here, yeah, I can smash that B sometime. And you know what, let's do A as well, just scouts, but it will gather you more fresh information about the resources in those villages, and that helps you when you farm. That actually helps a lot. So just keep on smashing the Z button. You will get good with your fingers soon enough, trust me. And this is pretty much how you farm. And if you see not enough resources or something, just skip the village. So over here we send 100 attacks in no time. Okay, I can go to next village. There is more scouts, but okay, I can just press that A to find out what's going on. And basically this is how you farm. Here there is a lot of things you can do. You can hide hulls, you can hide attacks, hide wall level, hide distance, and yeah, so I'm not really sure how you prefer to do all these settings, but I just keep them as the basic settings, so original ones. I don't really mess around. For instance, hide scout reports with resources greater than or less than. I don't do this much since I'm farming with 10 light cavalry. If they don't come back with the full hulls, it's alright for me. I send out like 400 attacks or something. You can just check out how much commands I have. It doesn't say exact number, but I have 3 pages, and in each page I think it was 100, yeah. So right now I have 300 commands outgoing. So I can check out my achievements as well. How much I farmed today? Today it's 228k. Well, first one is 5.3 mil. So obviously I'm not good at this, but you guys can learn from this and become even more better than me. Also, if you have any tips and tricks how to farm even faster or better, let me know, guys, okay? So thanks for watching. Feel free to like this video and see you next time.